G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo Warm Cheeker to a rip roaring episode. Got asked a question by Timmy. Thanks heaps for your question, Timmy. He's asking me how I go about working in the sun all day long. What do I need to do to protect myself? Excellent question, Timmy, especially when we're working in that really blistering hot summer sun. Not as bad in Melbourne as Cairns or, Darwin, Northern Territory, all that jazz. And each place will have their own way of dealing with it. My way of dealing with it is I like to wear a flanny, a really nice thin flanny, and I cut the sleeves off at 3/4 and I pop the collar up and protect the back of the neck. I can also get a rag and freeze a rag and wrap it around my neck just to keep cool. As for wearing a big hat, I can't wear a big hat, but I can wear my cap, keeps my face nicely protected, and I'll put some sunscreen on as well. Smart way of doing it. Many years ago, I had the opportunity of going over to Morocco with my brother, and it was really surprising to see so many of the people walking around there with big cotton gowns on. I thought being in such a hot environment that the big cotton gowns would actually heat you up. I've employed that on myself where I'll use the cotton flanny to actually keep the body cool. It's amazing how it'll keep the body cool without having that direct sun on you all day long. You don't want anything too hot and clingy on your skin, and this just lets the wind blow through, and while you're sweating, that'll really nicely cool the body down and keep it at a consistent temperature. Excellent question. Thanks heaps, Timmy. And anyone else out there that's got a ripper of a question, please flick it over and I'll answer it for you best I can whenever I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peels. I'll see you in the soup.